Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20 and the 50 SMA on MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and that simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then go to Insert, click on it, Indicators, go to Trend, and click on Moving Average. Now we have here period. So let's start with the 20. We have here method. Make sure you choose simple. Okay. And now we have here style. This is for the color. You can choose any color. Let's choose, for example, this one. And this one is for the thickness of your SMA. Let's choose, for example, this one. And click on OK. Now this is the 20 SMA. Let's add the 50. Go again to insert and indicators, trend, and moving average. Type here 50. Method simple. The color I will change it, for example, to yellow. And the thickness I will keep it on this one. Now let's click on OK. And as you can see, this is the 50 SMA and this one is the 20 SMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.